Imagine an evening in Monte Carlo where the Mediterranean air is filled with a blend of salt water and the faint scent of luxury perfumes. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city begins to sparkle like a diamond under the moonlight. The ambient sounds of Monte Carlo in the evening are a symphony of delight. The soft murmur of conversation, punctuated by the occasional clink of glasses, is the overture. The laughter that floats on the warm Mediterranean breeze and the distant hum of engines from the luxury cars that grace the city streets provide the melody. There's a rhythm to the city at night, a pulsating energy that keeps time with the heartbeats of its denizens and visitors alike. The vibrant nightlife is a dance, a ballet of elegance and sophistication. It's a performance where everyone is both a spectator and a participant, each playing their part in this grand spectacle. The harbor, a haven for luxury yachts, becomes a constellation of twinkling lights reflecting off the calm sea surface. Each yacht tells a story, a tale of grand adventures across the seven seas, now resting under the watchful eyes of this glamorous city. Venture into the charming streets and you'll find them lined with high-end boutiques, their window displays a tantalizing peek into the world of couture fashion. The restaurants, with their enticing aromas wafting into the night air, offer a gastronomic journey, a culinary celebration of Monte Carlo's diverse and rich culture. In Monte Carlo, every evening is a gala, a grand ball where the city itself is the belle of the ball. The night is young, and the city is alive with possibilities. The promise of excitement, of unforgettable experiences hangs in the air, as palpable as the scent of the sea. As the night deepens, the city's heartbeat grows stronger, a drumbeat that calls out to all who find themselves under its spell. It's a rhythm that whispers, the best is yet to come. Monte Carlo, a city that truly comes alive when the sun sets. No visit to Monte Carlo is complete without a stop at the iconic Casino de Monte Carlo. This majestic building is a testament to the city's rich history and grandeur, a place where the elite come to play and the world comes to marvel. The Casino de Monte Carlo is more than just a gambling destination. It's a symbol of Monte Carlo's elegance and sophistication, a beacon of luxury that has stood the test of time. Established in the mid-19th century, this architectural marvel has been a key player in shaping Monte Carlo into the glamorous city it is today. Every detail of the Casino de Monte Carlo exudes opulence. Its Belle Epoque architecture, inspired by the palaces of the French Riviera, is a sight to behold. With its ornate facade adorned by Corinthian columns and intricate bas-reliefs, the casino is a testament to the city's commitment to beauty and elegance. Yet the Casino de Monte Carlo is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's a vibrant gathering place for the world's elite. Royalty, movie stars, and business moguls alike, they all come to Monte Carlo to try their luck at the casino's legendary roulette tables and slot machines. The casino is a beacon of luxury where fortunes are won and lost and the stakes are always high. But it's not just about the games. The Casino de Monte Carlo is also home to the Opera de Monte Carlo, an architectural masterpiece that has seen performances by some of the world's most renowned artists. From ballet to opera, the Casino de Monte Carlo offers a cultural experience that rivals its gaming allure. In many ways, the Casino de Monte Carlo is a microcosm of the city itself. It's a place where elegance meets excitement, where history coexists with the thrill of the present. It's a place where the world's elite gather to indulge in the finer things in life, surrounded by a backdrop of architectural brilliance. The Casino de Monte Carlo, a symbol of Monte Carlo's opulence and glamour. It's a place that embodies the city's spirit, a place that's as captivating as Monte Carlo itself. Now, we take you through the picturesque streets of Monte Carlo where every turn is a visual delight. Picture this, a cityscape where centuries-old architecture meets modern elegance. That's the charm of Monte Carlo's streets. Each building, from the opulent villas to the quaint cafes, tells a story. The architecture is a fusion of Belle Epoque style and contemporary design, a testament to the city's rich history and its embrace of the new. As we stroll down the cobblestone streets, we're met with the enticing aroma of fresh coffee and baked goods wafting from the bustling cafes. These spots are a favorite among locals and tourists alike, serving as the perfect place to unwind and soak in the city's ambiance. Speaking of locals and tourists, it's impossible not to notice the vibrant mix of people that make up the city's fabric. You'll see locals going about their day, adding an authentic touch to the city's cosmopolitan feel. Then there are the tourists, wide-eyed and captivated by the city's charm, camera in hand, ready to capture every moment. And of course, a mention of Monte Carlo's streets would be incomplete without talking about the luxury cars that line them. It's not uncommon to spot a gleaming Bentley, Rolls-Royce, or Lamborghini parked casually on the side of the road. These luxury vehicles, much like the city itself, are a testament to the opulence and wealth that Monte Carlo is synonymous with. But beyond the glamour and glitz, what truly sets these streets apart is the palpable sense of life they exude. There's an energy, a vibrancy that's hard to put into words. It's in the laughter that spills out from the cafes, the hum of conversation, the clinking of glasses. It's in the gentle hum of the luxury cars, the soft strumming of a street musician's guitar. The streets of Monte Carlo aren't just thoroughfares. They are a living, breathing entity. They reflect the city's spirit, its past and present, its glamour and its charm. The streets of Monte Carlo, where the city's pulse can be truly felt. Next, we journey to the Monte Carlo harbor, a testament to the city's maritime heritage. The harbor is a dazzling spectacle, where the azure Mediterranean waters play host to an armada of luxury yachts. Each vessel is a masterpiece of design and engineering, their sleek forms reflecting the opulence of Monte Carlo. The harbor is not just a parking lot for the sea-bound toys of the rich and famous, but a testament to the city's long-standing nautical tradition. Monte Carlo has always been a haven for seafarers, its history intertwined with the ebb and flow of the Mediterranean tides. The harbor is the heart of this maritime tradition, a place where the past and present meet in a symphony of steel, wood, and azure blue. Each yacht tells a story, from the classic vessels that hark back to a bygone era of maritime exploration, to the futuristic super yachts that look as if they've sailed straight out of a science fiction novel. It's a floating gallery of nautical architecture, each one a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of luxury. The harbor is also blessed with a stunning view of the Mediterranean. As the sun sets, the sea transforms into a shimmering canvas of oranges, pinks, and purples, a spectacle that never fails to take one's breath away. It's a view that has inspired countless artists and poets, a reminder of the Mediterranean's timeless beauty. Surrounding the harbor are a collection of buildings that encapsulate the architectural spirit of Monte Carlo. From elegant Belle Epoque structures to modernist marvels, these buildings form a dramatic backdrop to the harbor, their silhouettes reflecting off the calm waters. As the evening sets in, the harbor becomes a popular spot for leisurely strolls and dining. The air is filled with the aroma of Mediterranean cuisine, the gentle clinking of cutlery, and the soft murmur of conversation. It's a place to unwind and soak in the enchanting ambiance of Monte Carlo. The Monte Carlo harbor, a place where the city meets the sea. Finally, we arrive at the Grand Prix circuit, a place that roars with excitement every May. This is no ordinary racetrack, my friends. This is the heart of Monaco's high-octane thrill, the pulse of adrenaline that sends shockwaves throughout the world of Formula One racing. The Grand Prix circuit is a testament to Monaco's audacious spirit, etching its daring course through the city's picturesque streets. With its inception in the early 1920s, this circuit has become synonymous with the name Monte Carlo. It's more than just a race, it's a tradition. A spectacle that has captivated millions around the globe. Imagine the roar of engines echoing off the city walls, the smell of burning rubber, the cheers of the crowd, and the sheer exhilaration of witnessing the world's best drivers maneuver their sleek machines through narrow streets, tight corners, and drastic elevation changes. It's a symphony of speed, a ballet of bravery, a testament to the human will to push boundaries and break limits. Each year, for just a few days in May, the tranquil streets of Monte Carlo transform into a racetrack. It's a unique blend of glamour and grit, of elegance and excitement. The world's most skilled drivers hurtle down the same streets that, on any other day, are filled with the humdrum of everyday life. It's a juxtaposition that makes this circuit one of the most challenging and exhilarating in the world. And it's not just the drivers who feel the thrill. For spectators, there's nothing quite like the vibrant atmosphere of race day. The city buzzes with anticipation, the air is charged with excitement, and the streets are alive with the spirit of competition. Every twist, every turn, every heart-stopping moment on this circuit tells a story. It's a tale of triumph and tragedy, of heroes and legends, of speed and skill. It's a story that unfolds at breakneck speed, leaving spectators and drivers alike breathless with anticipation. The Grand Prix circuit, where Monte Carlo's need for speed is